Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today, I would like to welcome back to the English class. Today, we will revise O sound words. And open your book, Enjoy with English Primer, page number 13. So, okay, open page number 13. Okay, 13. Page number 13, 1, 3, 13. Today we will do O sound words. Okay, we will revise first O sound words. Okay, children. So open your book, page number 13. Yesterday we learned or we read the words which have O sound. Today again we will revise. Okay, children. Now I want all of you to repeat after me. This is only repeat. Okay, you have to repeat after me and we have to understand and listen carefully and read carefully. O sound word. This is O sound word. Okay, so what is this? Can you tell me? This is a frog. F-R-O-G, frog, a frog. Okay, so another one is, what is this? Can you tell me? This is a crow. Okay, C-R-O-W, crow. Crow. Repeat after me, crow. Very good. It also has O sound. Okay, crow. The sound of O is O. Okay, O. The sound of O is O. Okay, so crow. Can you hear me? Crow. Yes. Coat. What is this? Coat. This is a coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Coat. Children, coat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay, grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Grow. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Repeat after me, children. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Goat. Goat. Okay, goat. Repeat after me. G-O-A-T. Goat. Very good. Next one is stop. The sound of O is O. O. Okay, O. Stop. Okay, rose. Rose. Mostly from letter O the sound comes O only. Okay, see, crow, rose, boat, coat, from everywhere it has O sound. Okay, O sound. Okay, somewhere it's O. See, stop, O. Rose, O-R-O-S-E, rose. Howl, H-O-W-L, howl. Okay, throw. Throw. T-H-R-O-W. Throw. Throw. Okay, throw. So this is O sound words. Okay, we revised today. Now I want all of you to listen to me carefully. Okay, so this is your practice. Let's practice together, children. So first one is unscramble the following words. Okay, so you all have to unscramble the following words. These words are scrambled. Okay, these words are not correct. Okay, you have to find out and you have to unscramble. Okay, for example, this is OPT. There is no word like OPT. This is not correct one. we have to write it the letters correctly. Okay, so first letter will come T. Okay, so let's write here T. T. Okay children, so then after that we have to think which letter will come after T, like correct letters among these. See, if we after T, if we will write P O, so still it's not correct word, it will not form any word. See, it's like up, top, tapo, like this, but there is no word like this, so we have to unscramble it. So after T O P, top, is it correct? Yes, it we can, this sound correct, right? T O P, top. Okay, this is correct word. We have unscrambled this word. Okay, we have written the correct word. Okay, likewise you all have to write this one correctly, all these words. Okay children, so another one is GOL. GOL, is it correct? Have you ever heard any, or have you ever read or listened any word like this, gall? No, there is no word like this, so we have to unscramble this word again. So let's find out. Okay, so this is LOG, 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 log. So let's write. Children, write LOG, log. Very good. So you have to unscramble the words. Okay, unscramble the following words, you have to unscramble. So another one is ROPD. There is no word like this, so this one also we have to unscramble. So DROP, drop, is the correct word. Okay, DROP, drop. Okay, so these all are also one thing. Okay, these all are O sound words. Okay, see, top, log, drop. Another one is BAOT, BAOT. It's not correct one, so we have to unscramble this one also. So BOAT, right? BOAT, children, this is a boat. BOAT, we are writing the correct spelling. So WONG, wong, this is also not correct one, so we have to unscramble. So write GOWN, gown. Okay, gown, boat, drop, log, top. These all are O sound words. And next one is ODG. ODG, we have to find the correct word out of this. So DOG, it can be DOG. Okay, let's write dog. DOG, dog. Very good. So OPT again. OPT and OPT. Here we have written already top. So let's write another one here. Okay, POT. OPT. So we have to write original or unscrambled word. So POT, pot. Okay children, I hope you all are writing with me. Okay, this one we wrote out of this top. Now pot. Okay, so pots. We have to write one word out of this pot. So let's write spot. Spot. G-A-T-O. G-A-T-O. So let's write G-O-A-T. Goat. O-A-T. Goat. So O-C-E-R. C-O-R-E. Core. Okay, C-O-R-E. Core. So we have unscrambled these all words. Okay, now I want all of you to read after me, children. This is T-O-P. Top. Children, repeat after me. Top. L-O-G. Log. D-R-O-P. Drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. B-O-A-T. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Very good. G-O-W-N. Gown. Children, G-O-W-N. Gown. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Spot. S-P-O-T. Spot. S-P-O-T. Spot. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. C-O-R-E. Core. C-O-R-E. Core. So children, today we have learned revised O sound words. Okay, some words which have O sound and how we can pronounce that words, as well as we did today this one A. We unscrambled some words which are not correct and we made it original. We unscrambled the scrambled words, right? Did you help me? Yes, we all did together this one, children. So we unscrambled these all words, and you know what? These all have O sound. See, everywhere you can see the letter O. Yes, children? Did you see? Yes. So these all are O sound words. Okay, O sound words. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you all are practicing how to read, and this one also you have to do in your textbook only, children. Thank you, children, for listening carefully. I hope you have learned something today. Have a good day.